going to take you with me a little bit while I did this and just talk to you and see how y'all been doing. It has been a while since I put a video up. I actually did a video and I have not uploaded it yet. It's about I make my own homemade dried compost nutrient feed for my plants. It's the first year I've done it, but I don't have a way of being able to. I'm opening the ground caustic cherry, pineapple cherry. We have it in another container in here. I don't have a way of really having a compost pile here. I do, but I don't. So I'm not in the best position to be able to do it here. And I know that compost is meant to be superheated. I'm taking and I'm putting, I don't know if you can see that without me dropping it, 2 in each one, and the other one just went flying over here. And then I will plant the second one in another container if the plants seem to be too big. So I know they're supposed to be like superheated, and so I said, you know what, why not grind it up small here and then just superheat it, but at a slow bake, basically. Now for me, I have my wood stove, and when it's almost time for us not to be using it, so I do have it going now because it was chilly this morning, and we're going to just let it burn out and then start one late tonight before we go to bed and have it simmer, so it'll be simmering in the morning. She doesn't really like to simmer, but we're going to try to do it the best that we can. So I put it on, I was going to put, okay, so I won't be doing the chocolate cherry. I'll put 4 of those in there, and I was not thinking about it because I was talking to y'all. You have these little handy dandy lids to keep it covered while it's growing at first to get it started, germinated. And normally I will grind it up and then put it on a baking sheet and let it sit there and basically slow cook and stir it around throughout the day. Now I will post that video either today or tomorrow if I can, just so you can see the process that I do. I stir it throughout the day. Now you can also alternatively, and that's what I'm going to be having to do with this next batch, I actually have broccoli cuts and cabbage leaves and both egg and duck eggshell. Sorry about that, y'all. The end of it sort of got cut off a little bit. My daughter called and the video just shut itself off. I was talking a little bit about how I make my own nutrient that I put onto my plants, where I feed my plants with. And I will upload that video today or tomorrow, so I can have that up for y'all. And I talk about, you can put anything in this. You'll see what I do with it, and maybe I'll do it a couple more times for y'all to see that anything can be mixed into it, as long as it's ground up fine enough. You grind it up beforehand, and then you grind it up again after it's dried, and that's what gets to it. And the heating process is what really helps too, because that way, whoops, sorry about that, that way the process of any germs or bugs or anything bad that can be in the nutrients in the food that you are heating, you're getting rid of that by heating it up. It's the same kind of process that you're doing when you put it in a compost pile. I got the the LED hydroponic set up. I set the light up for it. And so it's ready to go. I'll add a picture to the end of this video, and did not realize until after I started working on this video where it got cut off at, and also that I ended up doing the video this way instead of this way. So I do apologize, but that's just what it will end up being this time. I try to not do videos like that for you, but just for a better viewing. But this time it just was spur of the moment. Let's do this, and it's how it was set up where my planter was. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was short, but informative and exciting. Maybe it'll encourage you to start some of your own plants like this. I will be doing an update video soon on all my plants, because a lot of my seedlings are already this tall. I have the only ones that didn't come up are my cauliflower. So I replanted cauliflower, and I am about 2 weeks behind on getting my tomatoes and peppers started. So I need to do that this week also. So I will probably get them planted and then show y'all everything, the update on everything that's going on back there. I have a little bit of surprises of what I've got going on. And from there, I'm going to show you more about how I'm actually going to set my garden up this year to get as much produce as possible from as small of areas as possible, with the intent of knowing that more than likely we will be moving this summer. And I want to take my plants with me. It's not like we're going to be growing tons other than tomatoes. So we'll see how that goes in future videos. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. And until next time, thanks for being a subscriber and taking time to watch my videos. Bye for now. Bless y'all. And this is what it looks like now that I've lowered the light down, and I've put the little tags in it. You can see the water thing back there. The leveler shows you that once it hits the blue, that it's at the max level. Hits down to white. If that white goes down, that means halfway or more, then it means it needs water. I'm very excited. I have spinach and basil and stevia and peas, cherry tomatoes, and lettuce growing. And those babies back there have about 8 days left, so I'm excited to show y'all, hopefully, at least several babies that are going to be part of our family in about the next week. Thanks for stopping by and watching the videos. Hope to see y'all again soon. Bless y'all for now. Bye.